In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Xbox controller to iPhone 12 mini. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up your Xbox controller and using it on any iPhone model, including the iPhone 12 mini, is simple. All that you have to do is put both devices in pairing mode and you will be able to connect them. So to start, make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone 12 mini. For this video, I'm going to assume that your Xbox controller supports Bluetooth. If it doesn't, you might be able to connect a different Xbox controller by using a method like a cable, but assuming that it has Bluetooth, it is going to be super convenient. So once you go over to the settings on the iPhone and you enable Bluetooth, you will be able to pair up the controller. So turn on your controller by pressing and holding the Xbox button and press the pair button on the controller itself for 3 seconds. Eventually, you should see some sort of LED indicator flash, and if you go under the list of available devices on your iOS's devices screen, you will be able to find the Xbox controller listed in there. So once you put the Xbox controller in pairing mode, choose it from the list of available devices, and now it is going to be properly connected. Once you choose it from the list and the connection is established, you will be able to open any supported game or something like GeForce Now and use the Xbox controller. Like I said previously, if your Xbox controller does not have Bluetooth capabilities by pressing the pair button, then sadly you will have to use an alternative method. Most likely you will have to connect it with the proper USB or Lightning adapter, and once you plug it in with a wired connection, it is once again going to be ready to be used. You just have to choose whichever option is available according to the model of Xbox controller that you have. If you have Bluetooth, that one is going to be much more convenient. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Xbox controller to iPhone 12 mini. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.